Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set margins, page size, and orientation in LibreOffice. So the way we're going to do this is head over to Format here at the top, click that one, and you have the page style here, or you have the option to use Alt-Shift-P in order to get that, and we're going to try that. Alt-Shift and P. There you go. So now we're seeing this one. So we're gonna head over to page, and you have here the page size. So you can click this one and then make some changes here with, say, for example, something that has already been existing. Let's say letter, we can definitely do that. Or if you wish to do it at your own paper size, you can go ahead and change it here. So currently it's inches, but we can definitely change it with the settings. Now, with regards to page orientation, so you have the portrait here, we have landscape as another option. So if we want to try that, I'm going to hit apply, and you can see that now it is working. So now this is more on landscape, but we're going to go back to portrait, and the margin is here. So yeah, let's go ahead and scroll down this a bit. There you go. Go back there, Alt Shift P, and then from here, we're going to try to make some changes with the margin here on the left. So we're going to increase that one. All right, so we can try it. Hit apply. There you go. Make some changes. Now let's go ahead and turn this into 2. Hit apply, and there you go. So you can do the same thing with the others. And once you're done, hit OK, and then try to review if you're satisfied already with what you are seeing. So yeah, that is the best way in order for us to set margins, page size, and orientation in LibreOffice.